You want to go now? She wants to go now, Daddy.
All right, come on, Sabi. Go up that way. Roll over.
We have to help her up. She's stuck. Whee! Good job, Sabi.
No.
My turn. My turn.
Do it sitting with her, Sabrina.
Okay.
Sabi, that was fun, wasn't it?
How?
Go ahead, get on there. Grab the front handle. Should I push him fast?
Yes. Yeah.
You want to go again?
I'll bring it.
Make that hay a little higher in the back by the tree.
Daddy,
Put some more snow back there.
I have fuzzy water.
Oh!
What did you do? Fall head first.
Thank you, Dad. Best one. Best one ever. Best one.
I just got the end of it where she was like, doom, right in the snow with her head.
Hold on. Hold on to the handles. Ready? Backwards!
Do that to me.
Whew.
Do that to me. More.
Good. Get on there.
Okay.
Get on. Jump on.
Jump.
Backwards!
I want to do that.
Okay.
Okay.